Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Love Chisom. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this trendy butterfly skirt. If this is what you're interested in, keep on watching. I'll start by folding my fabric into 4. Just watch how I folded my fabric. I folded it into 2. Now I'm going to fold it again. Okay, this is it. I folded it into 2. Now I'll fold it again. Just fold your fabric into 4 like I did here. The next thing you will do is to get your radius. Okay, the radius for a circle, for a flare skirt or a flare gown, just the radius for a flare is your waist or hip measurement, depend on the one you want to use for it. Okay, divide by 6.2. okay, divide it by 6.2. So because this is a very stretchy fabric here, this fabric is very stretchy. I don't know the name, but I just bought it. It's been long I bought this fabric. It stretches like lycra. Okay, so divide it by 6.2. Then whatever you have, you are going to place it here. Okay, whatever you have, you are going to place. So I will be using my waist circumference plus 2 inches. My waist circumference plus 2 inches. I will divide it by 6.2. So whatever I have, I'm going to mark it here because the fabric is very stretchy. I'm going to use elastic on this skirt. So if yours is not stretchy, make use of your hip circumference. Divide by 6.2. Then you get your radius. You get your circle radius. Okay, so the next thing I will do now, I'm going to use 2 inches band. I don't know why this video is like this. I tried to edit it, but it's not working. So place your tape like this, 2 inches above the waistline. Okay, you get your skirt line. So I have 22 inches here, 2 inches above the waistline, the radius that you mark. Then I got 22 inches. So I'm going, whatever I place there, I'm also going to do it here. You know, this skirt will be in a square shape. Just watch closely. 2 inches above the waistline, you mark. Okay, you mark. So this is what we have when we measure 2 inches above the waist. So now from the tip of your fabric, just measure it full. Okay, so measure it full. Whatever you have, you mark it. I have 26 inches here. I mark it 26 inches. You mark. Okay, just do it the way I am doing it now. 26 inches, you mark. Use your ruler to mark it. So now you come here, also measure 26 inches full. You mark. You see how I'm placing my tape? Just do your own like that. You're also going to mark it and make use of your ruler to join the other line too. So it's like this chalk is not visible enough. I am going to get a blue chalk to make the line visible. Okay, so that you see it very well. So after the marking, you are going to have square. Okay, join the two lines together. After the marking, you are going to have square like this. So I have to get a blue chalk to mark it so that you can see the line. Okay, you are going to get a square like this. So we are done drafting our skirt. Now we are going to cut it out. This fabric is very stretchy, so so we are going to cut it out. That is the reason I used my waist circumference plus 2 inches. If yours is not stretchy, make use of your hip circumference. If you are going to add band though, but if you are not adding band, measure your normal waist. Put your zip. Okay, open one side of it and put your zip. Okay, this is it. We are cutting it out. So we are done cutting it out, and this is what we have here. Okay, this is what we have. I'm going to open it up like this. So this is the waist. This is our skirt. So this is the waist. Can you see how stretchy it is? I use my waist circumference and it's so stretchy like this. Talk more of when I use my hip circumference because I want to put elastic. So you are going to measure what you have on your waist. Measure what you have on your waist here. So whatever you have here, you're going to use it to cut out your band. Okay? Whatever you have here on your waist, you're going to use it to cut out your band. You know, this, whatever you have here will be more than your waist circumference. So had it been your fabric is not stretchy, make use of your hip circumference. So whatever you measured on your waist that you cut it out on your band. So now I've cut out mine. Now you're going to put the band like this. You iron it first. Then put it like this. And then you sew. Okay? Just iron it so that you have that line clear very well. After ironing, then you sew. So this is what I have here. This is what I have here. Unfold. Just fold it and iron, then you sew. So now, this is our waist. I'm going to fix the band now. So to fix your band, you are going to place it like this. Make use of your pin to pin it round, okay? Pin it down very, very well, all of them. Pin it round. Then you take it to your sewing machine and you sew. So I am done pinning it. And I'll take it to my sewing machine now to go and sew it. So I'll pin it round. I'll go and sew it and come back and I will show you. So this is it. I'm done sewing. And this is what I have. Okay? This is our band. As you can see, our skirt is coming together. We are almost done. So now, we are going to make use of elastic. So in your elastic, your waist circumference minus 3 inches. Okay, your waist circumference minus 3 inches or 2 inches is okay. Now you are going to sew. You are going to use your safety pin to insert it in the band. After that, I'll show you how to join it. Please, as you are joining your band, make sure you have like 1 inch or 1.5 inch open from the place you join your band. Okay, so I've inserted to this point. I'll bring it out. I'm going to sew it now. Go and join with 1 or half inch there. Okay, join with half inch. Sorry, because at the end of the day it will be 1 inch. So look at it. I've joined it, and this is what we have. I'm going to weave that part. Okay, so this is our skirts. This is our butterfly skirts. We are done making it, okay? And you can see the waist. This is a very stretchy fabric, so if you're working with it, you have to be careful, okay? You can see the waist. You can see our butterfly skirts. So now, I've torn it out. So the waist part, I'm going to weave it, okay? I will take it to my weaving machine and I will weave it. Now, to hem the line, to hem the down part of it, so this is how to fold it. You're going to fold it like this. You know, this is a square shape, so fold the 4 corners, the 4 parts. You're going to fold the 4 parts this way. Pick up the only one you pick, you fold. The only one you pick, you fold. So this is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Okay, so this is me wearing it, testing the skirt with the top I made the other day. So this is it, and I think it's a good blend. Okay. This woman. Oh, thank you for watching. Okay, enjoy the video and see you in my next video. Bye.